nice out here right now.
Yeah, it feels good.
Look
Monkeys.
at the rain. I wonder which way it's headed.
I don't know. Everybody's talking about rain, but we've got thunder going on. Hi, Kaiser. Hi, Kaiser. Are you getting wet, Thor? Shin, stay down. Oh, why does he take big dumps when we come out here?
He runs.
He runs, it makes him has to go potty.
Yeah, moving around. His bowels are full, moving around good for him.
Go play.
I haven't seen any rabbits over here lately.
I saw him earlier. Yeah.
Water.
Hi, Kaiser. Hi, Shin. Everybody running around. What the hell's on me?
Hey, you better put that hair down. I saw that.
Why is his hair completely up right now?
Huh?
Kaiser, don't even do it.
Well, it pops up there whenever monkey kind of.
Hey,
Kaiser.
be nice. No. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy. You're so silly.
She didn't bring the ball back.
You're so silly. Hi. I know. Hi, Shin. Run, monkey, run. Hi. You go play. Hi, Kaiser. There's monkey. We're all playing. It's all good. There goes monkey running. Hi, Kaiser. How come you keep looking at me? Best friends. Hi, pretty boy. Yeah, don't step in the poop. Oh, listen to that noise. Okay. We're done. Maybe. Here comes Monkey again.